Tom Peters, noted business author, says, "Nobody does innovation better than IDEO." What can other business organizations learn from a study of IDEO? The firm that helped design Apple Computer's first mouse, Palm's handheld, HeartStream's defibrillator, and iPhone applications. By looking at IDEO as the poster child, we can learn how they observe markets, clients, and technology by looking at people in real-life situations and, through that process, are able to visualize the satisfaction of unmet needs by innovating better products and services for the future. In the column and podcast that follows, you'll understand why the people at IDEO aren't big fans of focus groups and how they've discovered why people won't say anything, even if the meatloaf you just served them tastes like sawdust. At the end of the written column and blog attached, you'll find a few thought-provoking questions you may want to review with your team, strategic partners, suppliers, your coach, or mentor. Most importantly, we will look at the 7 important guidelines that IDEO uses to create the perfect brainstorm, starting with a well-honed statement, a simple question, or a well-articulated description of the problem. This technique is the bedrock on which they have become the hallmark of innovation for the world. You'll finish the session knowing how to better understand and fill the needs of your customers by observing them using your or your competitors' products and services in real-life situations, and which of the 7 brainstorming techniques you can immediately implement. No idea is so good that it can't be improved, and no business so good that it can't be even better.